Like if people know the song and they'd be like, you screwed up the lyrics.
Just break into the Romantics. Secret says they're talking to me in sleep. Is that the Romantics?
Oh, maybe. Yeah, that's them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, the secrets that you keep.
When you're talking in your sleep. Why did I just look that up and I can't remember it? For the love of everything. This is how it goes. Your smile is like a breath of spring. Your voice is soft like summer rain. Smile is soft.
Well, thank you very much.
Your smile is soft.
That's the thing
Your
anyone's
smile
ever
is
said.
like a breath of spring. Your smile is like a breath of spring. We'll get this.
We're good.
Oh my God, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm just
You
terrible.
want your beer?
No, because I have to take my head off, but soon.
Soon. It will be a day.
Sad to do. Nope. It's hard.
I done messed up a big time lately.
Yeah, it's alright. Talks about you in his sleep. Yep.
It does?
Yep.
Oh, man.
Smile. Jolene, Jolene. Oh my gosh. That's a sign. No,
Does that
no.
count?
No, it does not count. It doesn't count. Jolene, I'm begging of you, please don't. You. That doesn't count either.
We got 15 more minutes to go. It's a band!
The band. We are the Buck Ups, and this is our band.
Do you see the light? I see the light! The band!
The band.
I wonder how many references we could stick into each video.
Oh, probably a lot.
Yeah. I just gotta make sure I get them. I won't see them all.
Boogie, boogie, boogie. Let's go racing.
Let's go racing, boys!
Boogie, boogie, boogie. I messed it up. I forgot what I was doing. But I think it's got to be a little bit faster, don't you?
Think so?
Yeah. One sunny day. Ow, no.
Not it.
No.
Not it.
Not it.
Oh.
That's all right.
Not it. Not it. Not it.
I don't know if I'm going to be able to see this.
My nose is running.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's not good. Okay. Goodbye,
That was a really fast 3 minutes.
That was a really fast 3 minutes. Oh, we were doing so well, too.
How in the world did we just play a 2-minute song and 3-minute time limit and end up at a half minute?
Oh, because we're that awesome, sir.
Yeah, we can time travel.
Yeah, we can.
I would honestly, probably with my phone on vibrate and Mike texting me, I would bet that probably got picked up in there too.
Oh, that's...
It's just probably, hello, Mary.
Yeah. We never part, so hello.
I messed up.
You messed up?
I did mess up.
Oh, goodness. Okay.
I did it.
That's all right.
I did it!
You're allowed to mess up, because I mess up so many times that it's okay.
I think we've got the Buck Ups right here.
Yep, we're doing good on that.
We haven't even got one song done yet. This is awesome.
This is awesome.
Crack a window.
These windows don't open.
And got a hammer?
Nope. I'm not busting a window.
Hey, when I say crack a window, I mean crack a window.
But okay, number seven, lucky number 7.
This is 8, but okay, here we go.
That's
Wait, there's more.
That is really funny, actually. I let my friend wear Stagger once, and he's like, "Yeah, the vision is just terrible." And I went to go put his head on, and I had a dryer sheet, and it was like in the eyes. I was like, "No wonder why you think that the vision." I was like, "Try it on now. Like it's so much better."
Try with it's yeah, it makes a big difference. Stuff out the way.
We're gonna go on a airplane ride. Woo!
We're going down!
Yeah. Something. I don't know.
Yeah, we don't need to join.
Wait. We got technical difficulties here.
Technical difficulties. My wrist is broken.
My wrist is broken. Kind of like a drum now.
Huh?
Kind of like a drum. Go on an airplane ride, right?
Alright. More of a spaceship guy or a starship guy. I can't even speak. Wow, I butchered that intro.
I like it though. We can do that. Spaceship down. Starship.
More of a starship guy. Well, you're singing. We'll just go without it.
Yep.
I wish I could remember these chords, but I can't remember these chords.
Can't read the words. Okay.
Better remember these chords.
I can't make promises. See how he treats me?
I never claimed to be a nice guy,
I'm sorry for being nice.
but I'm sorry for being mean.